Baiae, Italy. Our next stop is Baiae, Italy. Once known as the Las Vegas of ancient Rome, Baiae was a lavish resort city famed for its luxury, decadence, and scandalous reputation. Located on the Bay of Naples, Baiae attracted the Roman elite, including emperors like Julius Caesar, Nero, and Hadrian, who built opulent villas and enjoyed the city's natural hot springs. The rich and powerful flocked here for therapeutic waters and grand parties, turning Baiae into a symbol of Roman excess. But volcanic activity caused parts of the city to sink beneath the sea, leaving its grand architecture submerged under the Mediterranean waters. Today, Baiae's ruins are part of a unique underwater archaeological park. Visitors can dive through the submerged remains of this luxurious ancient city. Beneath the surface, ruins of Roman villas, marble statues, and intricate mosaics lie silently, a testament to the city's former grandeur. The volcanic activity that caused Baiae's submersion helped preserve its structures remarkably well. You can explore remnants of thermal baths, temples, and the elaborate villas of Rome's elite, all remarkably intact after nearly 2,000 years underwater. One of the most stunning features of underwater Baiae is its mosaic floors. Despite centuries underwater, these intricate artworks remain beautifully preserved, depicting scenes of mythological figures in Roman life. Statues of gods and emperors stand eerily upright as if still watching over the city. Roman columns rise from the seabed, giving divers a surreal sense of swimming through a sunken palace. The preservation of these artistic treasures makes Baiae one of the world's most significant underwater archaeological sites. Baiae was a city of pleasure and indulgence, but also a place of intrigue and political maneuvering. Historical records suggest it hosted numerous political plots, as Rome's wealthiest and most powerful gathered to relax and conspire. Emperor Nero is believed to have plotted his mother's murder here. Walking or swimming through its ruins today, you can only imagine the secrets the city still holds. The fate of Baiae serves as a reminder of nature's power and the impermanence of even the grandest human achievements. Sunk by volcanic forces, Baiae's luxurious lifestyle and political dramas were buried by time, only to be rediscovered centuries later. Today, it stands as a captivating underwater museum where history lovers and divers can explore the grandeur of ancient Rome preserved beneath the waves.